Hey guys, welcome back. So here I just want to show you guys what you can actually do. So here on the whole floor with 3 bedrooms, I furnished them all. So for example, in this one I have a queen size bed, a red sofa chair, and also a large storage space with this shelf. And here I also have a queen size bed, a desk, a chair by the window, and also I have another big cabinet here, a shelf here, a single bed, again desk by the window, and a chair. So as you can see on this minimap version, you can get quite good overview, bird's eye view in this 3D minimap. And let's just do a walkthrough as well. Closed minimap.
Closed minimap.
So here you go. I'm in one of the room, as you can see. So over there's the chair by the desk. My Furnie menu is also here as well. All the furniture are 3D furniture objects. And here you can see the queen size bed. I'm kind of walking right on it. And I'll just walk over here. So now I'm looking into this room here, just like in the real version. This is a all life-size models. So here I can see a chair, a desk. This is the window. I can see the single bed and my bookshelf here. And over there, I kind of need to enable teleport.
Enable teleport.
And
gaze through the ring and tap to dash across
and zoom
the map.
over here. And again, I can walk in. I can see there's a bed over here and red chair, again windows. And so there you go.